Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 1. It says simplify 3x plus 2 times 4 plus 2x. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this. And the reason why is because I know this 4 here is going to be multiplied or distributed to everything inside the parentheses. So I'd like it to come first. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with writing the 4 first. It's still going to be multiplied by everything inside the parentheses. I just like to do it from left to right. And then I'm going to go ahead and still bring down the plus 2x. Now when I get rid of parentheses, the first thing I do is I circle the number that's in the front and I distribute it or multiply it by each term inside the parentheses. I like to take care of the integer rules first, and a positive times a positive is a positive. And then I know that 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times 3x is 12x. Now I'm going to do my integer rules first. A positive times a positive is a positive. I bring it down. Then I multiply. 4 times 2 is 8, so I bring that down. The positive 2x was not a part of the parentheses, so I just go ahead and bring that down. And now I know that I have x's and I have no's. And remember, no's are constants. But I like to call them no's. It's a quicker way to say no variable, or constant is too long for me, so I just write no's. Under my x's, I have a 12x and I have a 2x. And they're both positive. Under my no's, I have a positive 8. Now I'm going to go ahead and combine those. 12x's plus 2 more x's are a total of 14x's. And I don't combine the positive 8 with anything, so I just bring it down. Plus 8. And here's my answer. So good luck on your problem.